dias, familia. Good morning, my family. Today I am going to be sharing with you my recipe for making a delicious and creamy crema de maiz. This is a Puerto Rican breakfast type of hot cereal. It's like a cornmeal porridge. It is the perfect balance of creaminess and sweetness with a little hint of saltiness. It's just so perfect. This cornmeal hot cereal was a staple in my childhood growing up in a Puerto Rican home, and I remember just, letting that plate cool off and just breaking into that cornmeal for the first time. It is just so good. So let's go ahead and get this show on the road. I'm gonna show you right now how is it that you can make this Puerto Rican deliciousness in your home. I'm going to be using 1 cup of coconut milk, but you are free to use any type of milk that you like. I'm just loving to use this coconut milk. I'm substituting a lot of things with it, and I like that coconutty flavor. So 1 cup of milk, about 2 tablespoons of cornmeal, and it's very important that you use the fine one, not the coarse grinded one, but the fine one. And I like Goya because it doesn't give a bitter flavor. I also like this other brand. Let me show you guys. This brand over here is really good too, the Pan brand. It does not give it a bitter flavor or anything. So I like this one, but because this one is more widely available, I'm using this one for the purpose of this video. I also have 1 tablespoon of butter, 1 little cinnamon stick for flavor, and it just makes it look nice. A little dusting of ground cinnamon for the end on the top of our cornmeal. About 2 tablespoons of sugar, but you are free to use any sugar you want. You can use brown sugar if you'd like. And a little pinch of salt, because anytime I make anything like a dessert or something, I feel like that pinch of salt is essential to just balance all those flavors out very well. If you don't put the salt in it, there's going to be something missing. First, I'm going to start in my little saucepan. I'm going to add in my 1 cup of milk. Now, this serving is for 1 person. If you would like to make servings for more people, you just can double the recipe. To that, I'm going to go ahead and add my butter and then my cinnamon stick, my 2 tablespoons of the cornmeal, sugar, and salt. So I went ahead and turned my fire up to medium. If you want to give it a taste and see if it's your liking, you can. And now I'm simply going to be mixing everything together. And this heats up very, very quickly. It's not going to take forever to heat up. And I'm just mixing to make sure no bubbles or no lumps form, rather. And as this starts getting warm, you're gonna see it's gonna start thickening a little bit. Now, some people like to wait till the milk is warm to start adding the cornmeal in. You could do that as well if you want to, but I just mix it all together before I even start. All right. Honestly, it's been only like 3 minutes. And look how this is looking. This is looking so great. You see how it starts bubbling like that, those thick bubbles, and it starts thickening like that? That means we're pretty much done here. Okay? So as this cools down, this will also thicken. So don't look at it and be like, oh my goodness, that's too runny. Do not worry. In the plate, this will also thicken. So at this point, right here, I'm just going to turn it off. And then I'm going to get my plate. Now I'm just going to come over here and pour it over my plate. Look how yummy and delicious this just looks. And that cinnamon stick, I'm just going to pour it right there over the top. Look how perfect. See how beautiful and delicious this just looks. Oh. So good. And then we're just going to let it cool off for a little bit. Now on the top, I'm simply going to do a little dusting like this of cinnamon. Oh, and look how perfect. Oh, this is so good. I can't wait to eat it. This is just so good in so many different levels. so warming. So many childhood memories just flood into my mind. It's just so delicious. You guys need to give this crema de maíz a try. I guarantee you and your family will love it. If you're interested in other Puerto Rican breakfast recipe videos, go ahead and check this video out where I share with you guys how I make my avena, my Puerto Rican style oatmeal. Buen provecho. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.